freshly painted inside and a light and contemporary feel, you're going to love coming home to your own private retreat at 6 Botany Avenue in Redlynch. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property, and let's go and take a closer look. The open plan layout and the dual living area blends indoor and outdoor spaces effortlessly, with the patio and huge swimming pool creating the perfect setting for entertaining family and friends. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, lots of storage and tiles and air conditioning throughout, this is a stylish and functional home that's within proximity to every convenience you can think of. Nestled in a family-friendly neighbourhood and situated on a fully fenced 615 metre square block, there's even room for a playground at the back, and you're going to love the pool area. Hope to see you at the open home or give me a call for a private inspection. I'm Nikolai Bursky.